was for you to stay a little longer now. With arms around me like a border, like the air I breathe. I let you in, keep me warm underneath my skin. 'Cause I'm giving in to your touch. I can never get enough. Diving deep into the ocean.
Menjelang malam guys,
You can be my safety
sekarang
zone.
pukul
Somewhere I can go and feel
setengah 7
alone.
atau 6.30.
That's all I need.
Kami masih berada di sini.
You
Ya
can stay a
guys,
little longer now.
masih berada di sini.
Surround me like
Wow, 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 wow.
water.
Amazing, luar biasa.
Like an endless stream, you take me in.
Perjalanan kami yang penuh dengan kengerian. Oh my god, this is awesome. What is this? Holy shit. Jauh lagi bang. Sudah hampir mendekati tujuan saudara-saudara. Mereka masih tertinggal jauh di belakang. Ande.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you, you know that I need. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about you. That's what I like about you.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will